I'm a doctor by profession, a general practitioner, and I've been practicing in my clinic in Starbucks, which you have been to since 1979. So I've been at it for 40 over years now. Decided to put a lift in my uh, bungalow here because I am now had two knee surgeries. So this will definitely be of great help to me as we continue on in life. I used to be able to walk up and down 3 floors, not a problem. But as we age, knee problems come up. And I've had knee surgery on both my knees now. And it would have been a chore climbing up the stairs here. So I didn't have to think very much. I knew what I needed. I needed a lift. Once I decided to move in here, I started looking around for some elevators. I knew some friends who were also involved in the elevators, but the specs were not that great. And so I kept on checking on that, and I came upon your very beautiful brochure, online brochure, which was really, very impressive. So I got taken up with that. So I said, let me try these people. I checked a few other companies, but your brochure, I tell you, is absolutely brilliant. The way it's done up, the way it's, so very specific. The specifications are all there. So I was quite impressed with that. Took some adjusting, but your technicians were great.
Perfect.
They really went out of the way to get the alignment perfect.
Perfect.
Both Mr. Krishnan and Mr. Mahesh, they were very good. I think you are a brilliant salesman. You have done very, very well. Your presentation was super impressive, and I was taken up by your presentation. So if there are any doubts left in your mind, you came there, and that was it. Done. Done deal. Elite Elevators, you have done a fantastic job. Go for it.